Hey, hello everyone. You're welcome to my channel. I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike from the Genius FS. I'm here again to show you another mobile strategy. This strategy, how many of you remember this strategy which I posted around last year, May 2023? I call it Fragmagic mobile strategy. Today, I'm going to reveal the settings of Fragmagic mobile strategy. But before I started explaining anything, let me show you the settings before I can tell you how this strategy works effectively. Firstly, let's go to our F sign. We're going to go to our chart now. You go to your F sign. We use two parabolic SAR, Alligator, moving average. At the indicator window 1, we use a relative strength index, Alligator, and then stochastic oscillator. Okay, our first settings on parabolic SAR is 0.011. Maximum is also 0.011. Any color of your choice, and then you click done. Okay, second parabolic is steps is 0.0099. Maximum is 0.0099 as well. Any color of your choice, then you click done. Okay, Alligator just period we use 160. Just shift we use 8. Tilt period we use 20. Tilt shift we use 0. Lift period we use 20. Lift shift we use 1. Method linear weight. Apply to medium price. Then you can decide to use my color or choose any color of your choice. You click done. At the indicator window one, then moving average at the major chart we use 105. Shift 0 exponential, apply to close, any color of your choice. Then at the indicator window 1, we use our relative strength index. Period is 14. You apply to close. Okay, make sure that if your chart is black, you put the color to black, and if your chart is white, you use color white. I'm talking about these pixel here. I use white because my chart is white. Then level, here is the level 75, 71, 50, 29, 25, and 5. Then you click done, guys. Alligator, the same settings of Alligator on the major chart is what you are going to use on the indicator window 1. Then stochastic oscillator, K% is 210, D% is 2, slowing is 5, price feed is low/high, method is simple. Then any color of your choice. This is level here 95, 80, 25, and then 5. You click done. Guys, your chart is going to look like this. Okay, your chart is going to look like this. I'm not going to do much explanation on this Fragmagic mobile strategy. You have to go and watch my previous video and show you how it works. But before anything, let me show you. Here is our Alligator, the one in yellow and also the one in blue. That's our Alligator. The one in green here is our moving average 105. Okay, the one black dot on your chart is our parabolic 0011 and then 0099. Okay, here also is our is our Alligator, the blue and the green, and then stochastic is already in red. How do we use this strategy to buy and sell? Look at the cross here, guys, and also look at the cross here. Whenever you realize that the three lines has crossed each other, then parabolic got heated, you will be looking forward to sell at the same time. Let me show you again from this perspective. Okay, let me show you again from this perspective. Look at the cross here, guys. Look at the cross here. The green line cross yellow, cross the blue, and like I told you that our Alligator is the green and then the blue in this black chart. Okay, the yellow line here is 105. This is our parabolic 05 exponential moving average. The white line dot on our chart, that is our parabolic SAR, guys. That is our parabolic SAR. As far as I'm concerned, when you realize that our price action has hit parabolic and parabolic change direction towards downtrend, that is when you are going to be looking forward to buy. As you can see, as long as this is your parabolic getting increased in size, then you keep holding your position. Look at the yellow line and then look at the blue line. They serve as your support and resistance. Okay, this strategy can help you a lot. As far as I'm concerned, I remain myself Adetokunbo Mike. Keep liking, subscribe, and then share to others to benefit. Thank you.